Happy Good Friday, people. Happy Easter. Happy Good Friday, fans. I want to yes, so Abike Jagaban life in Nigeria. Ain't Abike Jagaban. Happy Good Friday, guys. Yes, so happy Good Friday, fans. Oh my, yes, so Sisi Dokasi enjoying life and direct from Lagos. Eko lawa o Simbere Badro. Eko life and direct in Nigeria. Happy Good Friday, everyone. Yeah. Happy Easter. How are you all? Good to see you all. I've missed each and every one of you. Seriously, I've missed you. Oh, thank you. Thank you, guys. I've missed you all. I'm on my holiday. It's so hot in Nigeria. Seriously, bastardly hot. Okay. Love my dress, don't you?
You know.
Anyway, I'm live with my sis here.
Hi, Facebook. How you guys doing?
The CEO of
Chicken Classic.
Yes,
it's all about love. Guys, don't hate. One love.
Yes, so
it's not about hatred.
I'm telling you,
one
life in Nigeria.
Folks.
We're having
She's
fun.
Right here for life.
I'm telling you.
No messing about.
Not at all. Anyway, guys, how are you? How are you? I miss you. How is everyone? Dear Yabakibo, Sheondi Kaolu, Princess, Abu Akwele, Oriade to tell me. I miss each and every one of you, honestly. Yes, so I became you life in Las Giddy. If anybody let you come run mouth, you know what I mean. I'm having my fun. It's so hot in Nigeria. Did you see me dancing and wiggling my waist? How else do I, relieve myself of the stress if not come to Las Giddy and have the best of fun? Oh my God, Lagos is beautiful. I've missed home, sweet home. Is in refugee ni le baba mi. Ilu baba mi ni ile je refugee. If everybody like you want to ba won. E sha ro yin. Ile baba ma ki ba ma leru. Ile baba mi o le ba mi leru o. Mo ni sare se quick one pẹ̀lú yin ni. E mo lo yi Dorcas o da fún ọ. Ọmọ mi Dorcas. O ni siku ọmọ Dorcas ọmọ oni ku lọ́wọ́. Oyin Kọ́lá dàgbà àdógbò lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ lẹ́yìn lórúkọ Jésù lágbára ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù. Gbogbo ẹni bá ro bí ru ẹ wọ́n forí ara wọn gbé lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ó gọ̀nù ti gbé kalẹ̀ mọ́ lórí lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni. Maro, don't stress yourself honestly. Wọ́n ti sábẹ̀ fáìmọye èèyàn. Wọ́n ti sáré fún Detola Sweetest. In dàgbà sí ni ọmọ ń dàgbà tọ́wọ́ nǹkan kò ṣe ó ní sìnkú ọmọ èmi Àbíkẹ́ náà ní sìnkú ọmọ àwọn tó ní wọ́n ní sìnkú àwa náà láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. I miss you all. You can't hear. You should hear o. Sister Eniola. Can you hear? Let's get in you. Life eléyìí ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ Ìbàdàn o kò ń ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sì ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ life in Las Gidi. Ọmọ ayé chopping life. Ẹ ṣáà mọ̀. What can I do? I'm chopping the life of my head, enjoying, yes, having fun. Yeah, that's what life is about. You save money, you spend money. You make money, you save it, you spend it. Billy Ayeshe Waniye. Agutan wa Jalabe Gesi. Ishe wa Abike Jagaban. Hey, do you like my dress? Oh, look at that. Oh, my young Jaye Baggy. Watch a video. I went to London. See my aunties. It's everywhere.
How are you?
They are all fine. Anyway, guys, Adupe follow is very clear. Princess Ade, thank you. And that's Auntie Bumi Omabuwa. She's so sweet, isn't she? She's always been sweet.
Hi, guys.
For those of you that ordered that jewelry, she's coming back to UK soon, honestly.
Oh, yeah.
When we're done with our fun in Nigeria, we resume back to UK.
That's right.
It's summertime.
This is how we do.
We can't do something else but to just rock, drive, and enjoy life. After all, it's just one life, as I used to say. All right, so she's looking so cool. Okay, that's everyone there. We are having our fun. This is very bad. This is Akushe. Sherry, eléyìí tún ṣe Naija tí ò fáyìn o Naija tó fáyìn ni ilé pọ̀ yàrá pọ̀ too much. Thank you, my darling. You love my dress. Yes, I'm rocking my dress in Naija. What can I do? Bumi Junior, come on, come here. Come and say thank you to everyone that bought your jewelry. Tell them most of are coming. Another. Also, hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Oh, she's so shy. Emma, she's camera shy. So we are here. We just finished in Amala. We are going out again to eat Adalu. Suya University. Mojenwo. Free John. What's spoiling me? Only free John, but to get free John. Thank you guys, thank you so much. I miss each and everyone. Don't worry, I'm gonna be back soon. He said and I'm not a refugee in my father's country. This is my country of origin. I'm having fun. We've been out all day. Thank you. Of course, my mouth cannot kill me. Yeah, choking is my hobby. I enjoy doing it. Anybody robi robo, see the cause for the other one. Along again, you want your for you again to your for you. You know what I mean? That's chicken leg.
I said that
chicken leg. Natural chicken. I know the chicken like you. Hey, what did I make? Sister Baye, I miss you too, seriously. Oluwatosi, I miss you. Thank you. You are my beautiful girl. Thank you, Janet. Why? Video. I'm over about why you know I always come out to falsify it. No, I am not a refugee. I'm not deported from London. No. I enter voluntarily, I come back voluntarily. I miss you to talk to you. I miss each and every one of you. Oluwatosi, Adedi, mo pendi go gwenyo. Emo je oroje mo mi na to mo yin ba pile. Eje mo save we. Emo pe bombu. Ki ndule nkan na. Yin ni ju bombu. Inju grenade mo fe ju bi mbade grenade mo ma bo se lo won so fun mi o bo e sha mo eyin temi e ri pe network Naija da owo ni money speaking owo ki sọ̀rọ̀ olowo won ni ki pariwo jeje lomo ekolo. Auntie Daisy, how are you? I miss you. Yes, so we just got back from Tony Street and I'm about going out again. Seriously, I'll be doing short video clips, you know, every now and then for you. I don't want to miss out on you guys too much. I know what is happening. Polodi, you calm down, girl. Nothing evil is going to befall you by the special grace of God. But when you look, I want to sorrow odi, don't sorrow koro, tolo no yonu si. I won't go to fashesi fun olori omo won. I won't call one ule won. Anybody rodi lo man, oun lo mama gbe nkan e lo. I won't ba won lo rodi. Rodi on che ti wa. Ṣé mi jẹ́ mo tó deport. Nígbà ẹ̀rọ mo tó ń gbádùn bá èèyàn kan ní á deport. Irọ́ yìí náà ni irọ́ làbí irọ́ kúnlé irọ́ báyé jẹ́. Òkúrọ́ báyé. Èmi Àbíkẹ́, owó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ní kí gbogbo àwọn olóṣì kan zip mouth wọn. Ẹnu ò ṣe drella. Zip it up. Anyway, guys, I can't stay on the line for too long. You know I'm on vacation and I shouldn't be doing video. Èmi ẹ ṣe talakamania tó lọ ṣe video l'America o. When it's holiday, you enjoy yourself to the fullest. Holiday bawa. You have to be relaxed. You enjoy yourself. You take time off media. And that is exactly what I'm doing. But since you guys have missed me too much and I've been getting inbox from my fans, you know that I need to do some video. So I decided to do this quick one. So very soon, I'm gonna upload the matches. You want Eba and Obegusi legally Sholabomi. I want to in London. Thank you, Janet White. I love you, babes. Thank you. Alaja Usman. Mama mi eshe. Epe fún mi. Ìgbà ilola koke. I miss you. Naija oru yi náà ni. Oru yi ni. Mo tún ti jó fún yín. Ta ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé àwa house. Kó lélẹ̀ life and that ṣe bí ere nbadon. Bí bá lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ gan-an fàájì ló tún bá dé. Yes, I'm so happy to see my fans too. All agent team forever. I miss you all. Seriously. Thank you, Adekunle. Bukola Fale. Okay, you like my wig? This is the wig in vogue. Go on, wig you fly though, you look like a chick, you know what I mean? Anyway, people, thank you so much. I miss you all. I can't stay longer than this. I'm so tired. Seriously. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I miss you all too. I miss you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. You see how I'm sweating? This is our Nigeria. It's hot, oh. The heat wave. The kind of heat wave that met me, I can't go to Bere. I wear some Lebanon. I see some more comment, not either. I'm only wrong. And yeah, one day I want bad or bad battle. I call short here, what's the bad when you need a monitor like a mania. You come on, I dare you to come up, come to Nigeria. Eh? Honey, he lay Baba Mark, he Baba, he lay Baba, me, life from Nigeria, lay money share, and the something. More loss Oyinbo, I'm what is emotion loss Oyinbo. Home base me. Mobaponi Beba Mumilo. Ah, Ekola Wayi, Anamayawa, Wafimu, Wafifera Biabe. I'm a jembe demo. And you can bragging, you know, the party came out bragging. You are more, Taba Chekinica, I want me, I'm a mommy, I get to look at mommy, eh? You are shaggy lego, you are not brag, you're going to and sorrow. But you're more if you know the other, what will go there, so I will go on to Shamisi. Army. It's not my passion. London, this is Nigeria. London is Scotland, yeah. And then on our go where it's hurting. Okay, yes, I'm okay. Life and director. Thank you, boss. Not for it's so hot in here, I'm telling you. Thank you. So guys, yeah, that's Antibumi swirling around. I like you smile, no, I like your similar mocha comments here. I gotta go now. Okay? So you all should tell you till I come your way again. It's just to wish you a happy Good Friday and a happy Easter ahead. Sunday is Easter, isn't it? Don't worry, I will be coming live online with you again on Sunday. I'm going to tell you how my Easter is going. It's been pleasant all the way. I'm having my fun. I'm really enjoying Nigeria. Thank you all. I miss you all. And you know I hurt you bigly. And I'm still loving you all the way. I love you all. Thank you. See you again. Bye.